Hello again. All right, so I discovered some things in the file that probably shouldn't be happening. In the last video that I sent, the one about separations preview, I showed you how to see if there are other colors going on besides single channel, which is what you want. We found some, so now we got to address them. And in addressing them, I found some other potential issues, larger issues, so to speak, that we should probably get a handle on before we go much further. So this one in particular is bad, obviously. So we've got yellow and cyan going on in there. Maybe even a little bit of black, I can't tell. That's a 4-channel image, and so if we were to print this as is, we'll lose any of that little shadowing right there. So we need to take care of that. So the easiest way to do that is in your links palette. If you go to, you select this, you'll see where there we are, OWL. You can, if it's highlighted in blue, you can go up and edit with. And I'm going to select Illustrator. Here we go. So this is maybe the first problem, is that there are several artboards on there. This doesn't particularly pertain to our OWL and its multi-channeled approach to color, but it makes it a significantly larger file size. I notice this is 7.5 megabytes. It should be about 300K. So this is just something that needs to get taken care of. So we're going to find those and delete those first off. Yep, get rid of them. This is actually on this layer. It's in clip group, so we're going to get rid of this. I suspect that's our primary source of size. I'm going to go to my document, set it, and edit the artboards and trash those. So that we're now down to this. So this is how it should be right now anyway. That's how it should have appeared at the very beginning, only because the other stuff is just totally superfluous. So we've got our background magenta. Looks like that was not in the original, so we're going to get rid of it anyway. Oh, that's covering that. Okay, we'll leave it then. No big deal. That's pretty minor in the grand scheme of things. So we've got some stuff in here. Clearly there's no green on this. So we're just going to straight out delete that. The next thing we have to do is identify what is our source of problem. So this is 1% black, 20% yellow, 29% cyan. That can't be, because we're only trying to use this magenta channel. So first, let's get rid of that. Now it looks just like the other one, which is, of course, an issue. So what we can do is reduce, oh, this is also using interesting. Okay, well first we're going to turn this to pure magenta. Okay, so there's that. So now that we have that selected, we're actually going to I'm a little confused as to why that is. Oh, my bad. There we go. So we're actually going to desaturate this a little bit and see what we get. Maybe we'll try 85 as compared to, maybe that's a little more than we want. So let's try 90. That's a pretty close version of what we were just using in InDesign. It's close. It's not dark, but it can't be because we can't use any other color but magenta. So you have to work on tints of magenta, some derivative of magenta. So we've got that. I'm going to leave everything else alone. and I'm going to click Save, and it will adjust it. When you save in Illustrator, it carries a change over here. You saw that little pop-up window that says there's different layers. There, of course, are. It's going to update that as well. And now we're all set. Now when you go back into InDesign, you turn off magenta, there are no other pesky colors showing up in there for prime printing. All right, hope that helps.